So hello my creative friends, it's Olga Sorokin with you now and welcome to my live stream. In this live stream we will draw together a very beautiful armchair which is very famous. It's an egg armchair from Danish designer Arne Jacobsen. For this lesson you will only need a sketchbook or any piece of paper. You will need one bright marker of any color. In my case it will be red. You will need black color and you will need a liner or a white, not white, but black inkjet pen. So now I will use a liner which thickness is 0.5. It's my favorite one. It's from the Touch Markers. I have a whole set of these liners. So if you are an interior designer, an interior design student or an architect, I hope you'll enjoy this live stream. So let's begin, my friend, by outlining this armchair. You know, they call it an egg armchair because it reminds a little bit an egg because of its shape. We will start by drawing a central line and we will define the height of an object and make sure that you put a little bit more space at the bottom in order for our sketch to live freely, to breathe in this space. Then we will divide this segment into 3 equal parts, and the upper part we will give, the upper 2 parts we'll give for the upper body of the chair, its meat, and the bottom part will be for its legs, the nice crisscrossed legs. So when we decided on the height, let's decide on the width of the chair. So let's assume that it will be this wide. So let's check if it's symmetrical, and let's check. So yes, let's assume, my friend, that our width can be put 2 times in our height. So next step, let's get closer to the outlining of this interesting form. We'll draw a circle in the bottom part, then we have very beautiful curve line here. The handles, so we have 2 handles here. Let's show them, and let's assume that this is a compass. So we need to show the most eastern part of our object. Let it be right here. We want to show its the most northern part of it, so let's assume it will be here, and the most southern part and the most western part, as you can guess. Then we want to show its back. So we can start with a very simple triangular form. So we have a circle and a triangle, and here we want to make this beautiful curve which somehow connects a circle with a triangle. All right, so and that's how we outline this complex form. So we try to see any complex form through very simple geometrical forms. Then next we assume that our eye level is right here on top. That's why our handle, left handle, will be a little bit lower than the right one because of perspective conjunction. So this line somewhere will meet on the horizon line in one point. So let's draw its beautiful handles. Let's show that there is a seat here. So you can imagine that this is like a not only a circle but a sphere, and we want to take a part of it, so only one part of sphere, like hemisphere. Try to imagine that this chair is transparent, And we are done with its up part. Then we want to draw its basement. So I start to draw this tube, and notice that I put it a little bit to the left, not on the central line. Then we want to draw a plane, a really simple plane. And then in this plane we will put our legs. So it's really that simple. Right after that we can fill in with color. And yes, now I can see that this ear should be a little bit shorter. Alright? So in the next part we will fill in with color this drawing.